Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas valve Vs820 NAT for Magikitch'n part #60,125,201 CL. The gas valve Vs820 NAT for Pitco part #60,125,201 CL is a gas valve designed to control the flow of natural gas in commercial cooking equipment. It is manufactured by Pitco and has a part number of 60,125,201 CL. This gas valve is designed to be used with Pitco fryers and other commercial cooking equipment. It features a 1/2 NPT inlet and outlet, as well as a 3/8 NPT pilot outlet. The valve is adjustable from 0 to 10 psi and has an adjustable pressure regulator for precise control of the gas flow. The valve also features an internal safety shoot-off that will. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gas valve is designed to regulate the flow of gas to a Pitco fryer. It does not fix any symptoms, but rather helps to ensure that the fryer is operating safely and efficiently. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the existing gas valve from the appliance. 3. Remove any debris or dirt from the area where the new valve will be installed. 4. Install the new gas valve using a wrench to tighten all connections securely. 5. Connect the gas supply line to the inlet of the new valve and tighten securely with a wrench. 6. Connect the outlet of the new valve to the appliance and tighten securely with a wrench. 7. Turn on the gas supply and check for leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray around it. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.